Egret. It seems like you've mentioned egret. An egret is a type of bird that belongs to the heron family, known for its long legs, slender body, and elegant appearance. Egrets are commonly found near water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, and marshes, where they hunt for fish, amphibians, insects, and other small creatures. They are known for their distinctive white plumage and are often admired for their graceful movements and striking presence. Egrets can be found in various parts of the world, and they come in different species, including the great egret, snowy egret, little egret, and cattle egret, among others. These birds have been subjects of interest for birdwatchers, photographers, and nature enthusiasts due to their beauty and behaviors in their natural habitats. Egrets, like all organisms, face a range of biological challenges in their lives. Some of the challenges that egrets and other birds of their kind may encounter include: Number 1. Habitat loss. Urbanization, deforestation, and pollution can lead to the destruction and degradation of the wetland habitats that egrets rely on for feeding and breeding. This loss of habitat can reduce the availability of food and suitable nesting sites, impacting their populations. Number 2. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns can affect the availability of food sources for egrets. Altered migration patterns of prey species, disruptions in nesting timing due to temperature changes, and sea level rise affecting coastal habitats are among the climate-related challenges they might face. Number 3. Predation. Egrets, especially young or vulnerable individuals, can be susceptible to predation by larger birds, mammals, and even reptiles. Nesting colonies may also face threats from predators that locate and raid nests for eggs or chicks. Number 4. Human disturbance. Human activities, such as recreational boating, tourism, and construction, can disturb nesting and foraging sites. This disturbance can lead to abandonment of nests, stress, and even reduced breeding success. Number 5. Pollution. Water pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and other sources can contaminate the water bodies where egrets feed. This contamination can impact the quality and availability of their prey and potentially lead to health issues for the birds. Number 6. Invasive species. Invasive plants and animals can disrupt the natural balance of ecosystems where egrets live. These invasive species can outcompete native species for resources and alter the habitats that egrets depend on. Number 7. Disease. Like all wildlife, egrets can be susceptible to diseases, some of which can be transmitted through their interactions with other birds or animals. Outbreaks of diseases can impact the health and survival of egret populations. Number 8. Food availability. Changes in water quality, overfishing, and alterations to aquatic ecosystems can affect the availability of the fish and other aquatic creatures that egrets rely on for food. Number 9. Human interaction. In some areas, egrets may face direct harm from human activities, including hunting, poaching for their feathers, and illegal trade. Conservation efforts are necessary to protect them from these threats. Number 10. Migration challenges. For species that migrate long distances, obstacles such as tall buildings, communication towers, and adverse weather conditions can pose risks during migration. Some egrets may collide with these structures, leading to injuries or fatality.